Hi friends, my name is Craft. Today we are making a QR code generator using only 4 lines of Python code. Yeah, only 4. Yeah. It is a very simple project but very strong. Let's start. Yeah. First of all, create a folder, new folder, Python QR code Python QR code. Okay, great. Python QR code. Then create a Python file. Python, yeah. Rename it main.py. Then open it with a text editor. Yeah. Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio Code Insiders, but I want to open it with a normal text editor. Okay. Then let's start code. Yeah. First of all, we need to download 2 packages. Okay. First is pip3 install. Our first package is pyqrcode. Yeah, that's why we need to type in command prompt pip3 install pyqrcode. Okay, then press enter. I already downloaded pyqrcode. Then your pyqrcode will be downloaded. Then our next package is pillow. That's why type pip3 install pillow, pillow. Press enter. Then your pillow will be downloaded. Then let's start our coding. First of all, we need to import our first package pyqrcode. That's why type import pyqrcode. Yeah, import pyqrcode. Then we need to import image from our pillow package. Yeah, that's why type from. Okay, from P, capital P, I capital, L capital. Yeah, PIL, pill means pillow. Okay, from pill import image, I capital MAGE, image. From pill import image. Okay, this is our first line code, this is our second line code. Okay, then our third number line is first and second line. Then our third number line is we need to create our QR code. Yeah, that's why create a variable QR code or my QR code. Okay, my QR code equals to our first package name pyqrcode, pyqrcode dot create. Okay, pyqrcode dot create. Then start first bracket, start second quote, then end second quote, and end first bracket. Okay, then write a text or something. Write a text or something for our QR code. Yeah. When somebody scan your QR code, he can see your text or link or other things. Okay. Please subscribe. Coding TooT. Please subscribe coding TooT. Please. Okay. Then we need to download our QR code. Let's download it in a PNG format. Okay. Yeah, that's why type QR. This is our third line. Okay. Then this is our last line. Okay. Type my QR code dot png. Okay, my QR code dot png. Then start first bracket, then start double quote, then end first bracket, then end second quote, then end first bracket. Okay. Then give a name of our PNG file. Subscribe dot png. Then I want to give it a scale. That's why type SCAL, scale equals to 10 or 8 or 12, anything. Scale equals to 10. Okay. Scale equals to 10. Then this is our this is the end of our code. Only 4 lines. Okay. Let's run it. Save it by typing Ctrl S. Then open command prompt. Then type Python 3 or Python. Then type main.py. Then press enter. Yeah. Then you can see a QR code. This is our QR code. You can check it by scanning this QR code. Okay. That's all. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new updates. One thing, please subscribe my channel, please. Thanks.